Sasabay sa aksyon ng Black Rider ang Korean oppa na si Kim Ji-soo na napanood sa ilang K-drama tulad ng Moon Lover Scarlet Heart Rio at Strong Woman Do Bong-soon. Ang first ever interview sa kanya sa Philippine TV sa Chika ni Nelson Canlas.
Mula sa astig na pulis, sa hit K-drama series na Strong Girl Bong-soon, hanggang sa martir na prinsipeng si Wang Jung ng Moon Lovers Scarlet Heart. Ilan lang yan sa mga karakter na ginampanan ni South Korean actor Kim Ji-soo na napamahal sa mga Pinoy. At dagdag sa roles na yan ang kanyang Philippine television debut sa action prime series na Black Rider. Nakakwentuhan ko one-on-one si Ji-soo sa kanyang pag-upo sa GMA Integrated News Interviews, ang kanyang kauna-unahang interview on Philippine TV.
안녕하세요 mga kapuso, ako po si Kim Ji-soo.
Matapos ang ilang taong pagdiban sa showbiz, mapapanood si Ji-soo bilang ang half Korean, half Filipino hired assassin na si Adrian Park.
This is very interesting. How did you prepare for the role?
Actually, I worked out a lot for this character, and because it's an action drama, and now for me it's a really refreshing role. And I also had a lot of conversation with the director and writer to build up my character.
Marami raw ang nagugulat na marunong siyang magsalita ng Ingles at mas marami ang namamangha na marami siyang alam na Tagalog words.
You have been learning English, and have you tried learning Filipino?
Now I'm learning English because actually I love to watch documentaries like animal, like Earth, nature, or something. And I also learned a few basic Tagalog words like "Kumusta po kayo?" and like "Salamat po," "Masalap," and "Mag-ingat ka."
Ji-soo, your co-star and Black Rider himself, Ruru Madrid, has a video message for you, and I would like you to watch it.
Napakasarap po sa pakiramdam. Actually, nagtatanong ako sa prod na sana baka mabigyan kami ng kahit na isang fight scene lang o isang eksena lang, nagbabari lang kami.
He's so sweet. Salamat, Ruru. Also, I also watched his acting in Black Rider, and I think he's a really cool actor. But sadly, we didn't meet and get to work in Black Rider. But one day I hope to be able to meet him and work with him. Yeah.
Mas uminit pa at naging personal ang usapan namin ni Ji-soo.
Describe your ideal girl.
Oh, my ideal girl. Then I would say, my ideal type is someone who has bright and positive personality.
Are there any things that you would consider red flag in a relationship?
I think, someone who always thinks like negatively is kind of a red flag to me.
Are you open to dating anyone that is not born and raised in Korea?
Actually, yes. To be honest, I did a long time ago. Yeah. So actually, it's not a big deal for me if they're from another country. Yeah.
Ikinwento niya rin ang kanyang nagiging lakas sa tuwing dumaraan sa mga pagsubok.
I think when I have a tough time, my family and loyal fans are always supporting me. I think they really give me a lot of energy to keep going. Hello, my dear fans. It's been a long time, and it's good to see you again. I hope to see all of you soon.
I think I can remember this, you saying that, in one of your fan meet, that you wanted to show the fans the new Kim Ji-soo.
Yeah.
What or who is the new Kim Ji-soo?
Yeah. Maybe you just have to check it out. Yeah. But I'm looking forward to more challenges in terms of acting. And now, especially, I put my last name, Kim, instead of just Ji-soo before. So you can officially call me Kim Ji-soo.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.